How you doing? Today I'm going to show you what it's like to voice act for a video game. This particular video game is a military style, all right? I'm going to voice two different characters. One is a London Cockney soldier, and the other is a German soldier, all right? And right now, I'm going to show you the script. Let's get to it. Capiche? So I'm voicing Lieutenant Powell and a German soldier. Now, bear in mind, Lieutenant Powell, he's a London Cockney guy. All right. Good to see you, Captain Art. I have located an old farmhouse nearby. This should be the ideal field camp. We should move. Germans are patrolling. British espionage in this house. Oh, great. Got company. Pick up this sniper rifle. Follow me. All right. This should be it. We should destroy this cannon. What? Okay. So that is pretty much that. And, sometimes video game scripts can actually be really simple, just a couple of words, and there you go. Anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed it. Capiche?